Day 6, Sunday. We just left the reservoir. It was windy. The other guys got up a little bit before me. We left they left a half hour early. I couldn't quite catch up, so I left about 7:15. Normally our start time is 7:30. But anyways, we're off and going, or I'm off and going. They're up there probably a couple miles, 3 miles. And right now it's not bad. But it was windy all night long. The tent was blowing. It's hard to sleep or wake you up. But I feel pretty good. Yesterday the wind was out of the west, or from the west. Yeah. And it was a tailwind most of the way, except for I think about a 6-mile section there where it really sucked. It was about a 15-mile-an-hour wind. I think it feels about that this morning, might be 12. Right now it's a partial tailwind because I'm going south. Winds out of the northeast. So I got about 13 miles and I'll hit pavement, and then I ride in on pavement. It'll be a headwind. They have had quite a bit of rain here a week or so ago, but it's been dry for the last few days, and it's starting to dry up pretty good. Oh, there's some dips. I can see how this could be bad if you're doing it in the rain, or with a lot of rain. Good conditions. I think those are wild horses there. Minus 2% grade. Sipping along with a tailwind. Let's hope it's smooth. Big ruts. Sure is fast. Saw some of those horses back, 3 horses back there. They have to be wild. They just wouldn't let those range without fencing or anything. They look pretty, like they're well kept. This is the end of this mud. It went on for a couple hundred feet back there before I got the camera on. Well, there's no mud. It's all dry, but it would have been mud a week ago. Side's a better one. It looks like they're crossing. Run out of trail up here. It's a little better on the other side. Where do I do it? I guess right in here. Yeah, there's been something in the rain. Quarter mile of this. Keeps going. Well, I'm enjoying this. This is probably got another 3 miles, a little over 3 miles, and that turns the pavement. It won't be the same. Dirt and pavement are 2 different animals. Last 2 miles of the basin. Then I'll have a little 40, about 40 miles on the road. Going into Rawlings. There's a 500-foot climb too. Once you get to the bigger highway. Yeah, we're cruising here at 16 mile an hour. 1% downgrade and tailwind. No pedaling, just cruising. Hey, a car. There's not many cars out here. I mean, I might see 2 or 3 a day, if that. I don't think I've had one pass me, so they've all been coming toward me. Yeah, this road has been bad the last mile or so. Still bad. I could see where that couple that I saw, the first couple that I saw that were northbound, near Tawagi Pass. I told them about the dirt and getting stuck in the mud coming up there, and you could take the road. The first 4 miles they come to, I definitely avoided, and I said you might be able to do the other 4, but they said they're going to stick on the road. They had their fill of mud going through the basin, so this is probably what they had a week ago. Mud. The highway. Just made the turn onto the highway. Oh, what a difference. Headwind. Probably a 12 to 15 mile an hour headwind. Going 10 mile an hour on pavement. A lot smoother, but wow. Headwind sucks. And there's a couple cows. 24 miles in from this morning. Got 32 miles more to go. See ahead a long distance. See the crossroad coming up. Divide. Elevation 71-74. Coming into Rawlings. I think there's about 10,000 people here. To the west, inside city. Today's ride was 55 miles long, with the first 15 miles on gravel, and we had a total climb of 1,266 feet.